Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1961 Ford Thunderbird convertible. Very nice Thunderbird we got here at Skyway Classics. Definitely more roomier than the original 50s style T-Birds. But other than that, going to the one we have here featuring an Aquamarine exterior paint job, white power top, wire wheels, and definitely catches a lot of looks with its longer body style. Moving into the interiors, you can see we got the old-fashioned steering wheel with the working horn, automatic on the column. There is a special name for this steering column. I believe it's the move away man steering column, where you just move it to the right and you can get right out. Other than that, you have your basic white bucket seats, very nice and clean console that moves all the way up to the dash. You got the old-fashioned AM radio, working gauges, and especially the power windows, and I believe no power seats, but it does have power steering. Does have beautiful brakes, which we can demonstrate for you right now. Yeah, pretty good, not so bad. Other than that, it has a 390 under the hood. Definitely has enough horsepower to get you from point A to point B. But other than that, now we're just going to get safely turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned to see the underneath.